Welcome to BigInteger. Handle massive numbers beyond limits. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Regular integers overflow when numbers get too big, causing incorrect results. How do we handle huge numbers? Primitive types have size limits. Overflow causes wrong calculations. Cannot store very large values. BigInteger handles arbitrarily large integers without overflow. How is BigInteger used in the real world? Cryptography. Handle large prime numbers securely. Financial calculations. Precise large monetary values. Scientific computing. Massive factorial calculations. BigInteger powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without BigInteger? Trying to store huge numbers beyond int/long limits, look at how messy the code gets. Overflow causes wrong results. Limited to 64-bit range, cannot handle large values. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. BigInteger. Look how clean the code is now. Handles huge numbers. Precise calculations. Built-in math methods, compare the difference. And that is why we use BigInteger. Let's see how to implement BigInteger in code. Here is the implementation. Import BigInteger. Include math package. Create BigInteger. Initialize with string. Create BigInteger, another large number. Add BigIntegers. Perform addition. Multiply BigIntegers. Perform multiplication. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What package is BigInteger in? Which one is correct? The correct answer is BigInteger is in java.math package. How do you create BigInteger with value 100? Which one is correct? The correct answer is use value of for long values. What's the result? Which one is correct? The correct answer is integer division returns 3, remainder discarded. Which method finds GCD? Which one is correct? The correct answer is GCD returns greatest common divisor. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.